This lesson will briefly cover possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns replace nouns and possessive adjectives. The possessive pronouns are mío, mía, míos, mías, tuyo, tuya, tuyos, tuyas, suyo, suya, suyos, suyas, nuestro, nuestra, nuestros, nuestras, vuestro, vuestra, vuestros, vuestras, suyo, suya, suyos, suyas. Possessive pronouns and their variants must agree with the gender and number of the noun they replace. Also be aware that any of the third-person possessive pronouns can refer to his, hers, yours, or theirs. Este cuaderno es el mío. Las camisas son las tuyas. El lápiz es el suyo. Las bufandas son las nuestras. El teléfono de John no funciona. El suyo no tiene batería. Also know that each possessive pronoun is preceded by an article when used in a sentence. Just like each possessive pronoun, the article preceding it must agree with the gender and number of the noun being replaced. And there you have it, a very brief summary of possessive pronouns. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.